This is my locker again. And I'm not a tryhard, so I don't have very like leveled up Fortnite skins. Black heart, cool. And I don't know why I went in that version. There we go. Mr. Shark, Drift, full stage, full stage, full stage. I just like that version most. Oh. Not full stage because I'm not a tryhard. Yeah, this is my all my skins. I'm not doing like dances and stuff. I'm not doing dances because I have like a lot of those. Should I join my brother's Discord? Comment down below if in the next video I should join his Discord. Comment down your Discord name and I'll friend you. Plus your Discord code. Yeah, there you go. Yes. I just got V-Bucks on Valentine's Day. So I was like, why not? Laguna skin sucks. It's actually okay. You got 7 or whatever, Mesmer. Pastel. Striped Soldier and a West Warrior. This is like such a big flex right now for the defaults. And yes, I'm not that. I'm the white version of Bungie. I love the search and back bling. It looks great with Recon Expert too. But I don't have that. Only started in season 5. The Ice Queen's back bling is pretty dope, I guess. I actually kind of like these. I mean, they're okay. They suck though. Chowdown, Dodger, full stage Dodger, and then this, a max stage of that. And you have this, and I'm not full stage of this. I'm going to be this one. So wait, I have the black one already? Let's see. I'm really close to it, look. So close. I'm only 8 tiers away from it. So it's 24 days. Do y'all think I can do this? I want to try and do my challenges to get here. Or here. But I'd like to get here. Where was I? Pickaxes. Nope, not pickaxes. I just spoiled the pickaxes. Okay. Next stage. I don't know why I put them on like the not next stage. It's weird. Woodsy Max. Scales? No, I didn't care about this. I did not at all. I was like a little from this. I was tier 88, so if I got 10 more tiers, yeah. I like this one. This was a good combo. Now we got the last ones. Cobra sucks. Hypnotic, it's okay. Pineapple, lemon, yeah, it's okay. Sweetheart, yeah. Combat wreath, great, best thing ever. I'm sure I'll tell you. My favorite bad thing I have is this one. Go pick it up in the item shop. Literally, go pick it up. So, this is, it came out 3 days ago. Go pick it up in the item shop, boys. Pick it up. I did not get this skin, sadly. Rip Kevin, actually, bro. Rip. We miss you, buddy. Crap, my recorder. No. I'm done with my back blings now. You think I'm... No. No. You think I should block him? He joins me. I don't want him to. Kind of annoying. Whenever I'm doing a video, he always joins. Hold on. What? So fat on shit. Probably gonna join me in 1,000 times. So I have less of this, I think. After I have less of music. I don't know why. I'm just gonna use this on my gliders. Okay. I don't know if this is still an item shop or in this. If it is still, go pick it up. Go pick it up. Pick up all the packs. I picked up all the packs anyways. I have Lava Wing, Dope Glider, my first legendary one too. Sunrise. I actually kind of like this one. It's dope. Yeah, I don't have much money. Whatever. This is my favorite glider, literally. I always use it. Or use this. My favorite one. Perfect. Now yeah. This or not this. This one, amazing. Favorite. Yeah. And then we have got Swarm. So good old glider, bro. So good. Actually, literally best glider ever. Now we have Turbo Spin. It's okay, I guess. I like this one too. And that. I'm just favoring all the ones. This one it's the worst glider ever, actually. Glider. I love this one. Is that a little favorite? I have a lockstep. Massive key set, boys. Love master key. Looks like Naruto. Yeah, like my gliders suck. My friend Aiden actually always uses it, never took it off. And I hate this glider. And Aiden, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Let me use this one. Oh, this just look at him. There's not even a lot of pine trails. I'm not doing these now already. Gemstone, it's okay. Sentinel, yeah. Magnum, Magma. Already camera. Hate that one, even though it was my first rap. It's okay. Carbon and gold. Worst rap ever. And the glass, second worst ever. Best of paper, meh. The best one ever. Except this one. Magma. Driftwood. I don't look at this for like 2 seasons. Dragon scales. Let's go. Cursed. It's okay, I guess. Not a big fan of it though. Cuddle hearts. Right. Sun crown. Tiger stripes. Tropical camo. Ultra red. Boogeyman. Call sign skull. Pineapple. Valentine. Two tilted. Spring party. Rough. Inspire. So, one of these remind me of a joke. How does the dog play? Rough. Such a good joke. These stupid things. Yeah, I'm just gonna scroll down and then I'm gonna go to the other thing. Yeah, they suck. Literally suck. No one uses these. I'm gonna use the Kevin one. That's all I do. I got Afterburner. Ahoy. Ahoy, my name is Ashley. Hey, or hold on, wait for the drop, boys. Best never. When you hear it. Best thing ever, bro. Disco sucks. First music ever, boys. No, not that. This was it. I love this one. Hold on, wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah. Oh wait, I didn't wait for the beat to drop. It's horrible at the end. At the beginning. Not good. Yeah. Yeah, justice, boys. That's the worst one I've literally. Now, what y'all all been waiting for. All these. Gotta go through these quick. Video? No, it's about to end. Well, bye. See y'all later. Yeah, this is the ending.